There are Europeans from all over the world, people who are landing in our airports here with visiting visas, and then they have business, boom, they don't go anywhere. Those people, we are talking about them as well. They must go. La umuntu kumele simbambe ngama-balls i-government. Kumele thina leyo march sihambe siye kuma-parliament across the country, provincially and nationally. Angathini yalo nina physically nethatha izinto labantu bona bathule bazozilwela bafethu. Asingayilahleni ma-South Africans. Ngiyazicalela nje asingayilahli izikhomba la. Akusabantu bangaphandle kuphela. That must be clear. Everything that is wrong in our country, the march should be about that. Ungalambi kanje. Silwisa ifuture la. Asilwisi ukuthi wena unakudla namhlanje. Leyo mayingene kunhlobo yakho. La si-interfere kuma-politics abhedayo angithi. Sikrasha ama-politics abhedayo siyababonisa ababhedile. So this is not political. Nake understand our march and march. Hlamile ibe njalo. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Appa is your host with the most. Thanking yabonga bafethu. Kuma subscribers wethu, kubantu ababukela ama video wethu, kubantu abasherayo, kubantu abakhomentayo. Siyazibongela kakhulu bafethu ukuthi le channel iye phezulu ikhule. Thank you siyabonga. Namhlanje bafethu niyezwa ne voice yami mhlambe niyezwa different. It is still my voice, just nje ngishawa iflunyana nje. Yabo? Yeah. But ke ngifuna nokwehlisa umoya. I want to calm down bafethu ngalento engize ngayo quick. Ngiyangithola. Kusho ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nama-South Africans. As long as you are the South Africans, ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe namhlanje. Kusho ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nabantu abaleader i-march and march. Sonke siyabazi. Yabo? Ukuthi bafethu ikhona into elahlekayo la. I-march and march is good, very good. It's a good thing. Ngiyasupport 100% bafethu. Iqiniso lento yokuthi abantu abanganamaphepha kumele bahambe. And la ngithi lahleka khona lento kuba ngathi manje kumashelwa leyo nto. Mhlambe omunye umuntu angangi-explainela ukuthi kumashelwa leyo nto kuphela or kumashelwa nama-drugs, kumashelwa ne-crime, kumashelwa nokutshontsha kwabantwana, kwabantu, kumashelwa yonke into, corruption. Nayo imbuzo wami. Because if ayikho kanjalo sizolahleka. Sizolahlwa yini? Abanye abantu seba-attack abantu bangaphandle manje. Abanye abantu bayalutha manje. Yabo? Abanye abantu bazenza izinja manje. Bathatha ukudla kwama-Indians manje ema-shop. That's criminality bafethu. And nezodla poison. I want to warn you, South Africans. Nezodla poison. Angathini yalo? Angathini yalo? Nina physically nethatha izinto labantu bona bathule bazozilwela bafethu. Asingayilahleni ma-South Africans. Ngiyazicalela nje asingayilahleni. And leyo nto inika labantu abaphikisa leyo movement okuwukuthi ama-South Africans nabo okuwukuthi asazi why bayiphikisa lento. Yabo? Ngoba izinto esizikhombakudayo la akusabantu bangaphandle kuphela. That must be clear. Everything that is wrong in our country, the march should be about that, if I understand it better. So bafethu ninika labantu laba abaphikisayo amandla wokuthi bhekane basibiza ngamagama xenophobic, he labantu laba balambile, labantu laba baba sizobavalela ini bayalwa. Obvious niyabonakala abanye kwamanye ama province bafethu niyalwa. That is wrong. That is wrong. Mina bengibheka ukuthi i-march and march ngeyi-30 zakaJune bafethu, we don't go to attack illegal foreigners. No. That will be a very big mistake. Asiba attack labantu, asisi ne-memorandum kubo labantu laba ngalelo date le march. Mina okucabanga kwami sibadlula nasendleleni, siyababulisa ngathi siphila nabo, sibajwayele. We will be greeting them, hola siyale thina phambili, siyale phambili. No one has to be attacked. Angithi sithi thina singabantu and sinobunkulunkulu phakathi bafethu and sihlakaniphile. We are smart. So smart people, they choose the way they fight. It is still the fight. But we know who we are fighting against. La umuntu kumele simbambe ngama-balls i-government. Kumele thina leyo march sihambe siye kuma-parliamente across the country, provincially and nationally. Kuhanjwe kuyiswe kuma-parliamente, kuyiswe i-memorandum, kuyiswe i-manifesto yama-citizens A1. Government ngizwile ukuthi siyathuswa la. If laba lento le engayenzeki kuzoyenzakalane if i-government or anybody angamameli lento yangayi-30 ukuthi mabahambe kuzoyenzakalane. Uyayizwa imibuzo esisi open up for yona bafethu. Uyayizwa imibuzo leyo mubizo leyo labantu laba bazama ukuvika ngayo, kanti asilwi namuntu la. Asilwi namuntu la, silwa ne-government if kunomuntu ekumele silwe naye. Mina ngi-understand ukuthi i-march and march kumele sihambe sonke singama-South Africans. And when talking about South Africans bafethu, ningakhohlwa ngikhuluma from kubafundisi laba sebatholile namhlanje ngathi abekho. Ngikhuluma from kubafundisi, ngikhuluma from kuma-soccer players, ngikhuluma from kubantwana besikolo, ngikhuluma from kumaphoyisa, ngikhuluma from kumasotsha, ngikhuluma from kubodokotela, abonesi, ama-lawyer, ngikhuluma from everyone who is a South African, political members. And on that day, we don't need your uniform, please. We don't need your uniform. Whether you are from political party, whether you are from any department, we don't need your uniform. At least march and march. And then we raise our issues la. Away with drugs, away with kidnapping people, away with illegal foreigners, away with our crying guys. Peacefully. When I say peacefully, bafethu ngifuna umuntu aze nomntanakhe ambeke la. Sibe nabo gogo bethu sambe nabo. Phela inkinga eyi-1 la bafethu. There is no way we can be ununited. We can be divided. There is no way. Inkinga eyi-1 la. So thina sisifakela amanzi ngomsele singabantu. Uzodla poison mawulutha, wrong, i-criminality leyo nto. Ungalambi kanje. Silwisa i-future la. Asilwisi ukuthi wena unakudla namhlanje. Leyo mayingene kunhloko yakho. Ngicela nikhuzeni abantwana benu bafethu, nani ngicela nikhuzeke impintshi zami, ngiyanicela bafethu, ningazimosheli i-future. Ngento ezincane. Uzovalelwa. Lento le kumele kube yi-peace and kumele iqondiswe kumuntu ekumele iqondiswe kuye. Okuyi-government yethu. Thabo Mbeki fikile Mbalula, kuyawutlwa lwena wa flip-flop, nini ngawubabahle, nini ngwababatla, nini ngawubabahle. I don't understand you. bona mara hopefully or ba tsamaye mara ka peace hobane ke mosebetsi wa lona ke mosebetsi wa lona le hore ba kene ba kentswe ke lona o understand ba kentswe ke lona masola rona a tsebang dinnete a reng a confess a reng a beya taba tse right le batebetse ba tsamaile da maponesa everyone in any department wa tsamantse le teng Mr Fikile Mbalula so be clear say yabo skela etsang ka re attack batho ba kontle mo skela etsang ka re if ba tsamaya today we won't get jobs tomorrow that's lame excuse a statement ba fetho once again please are se ra buang so the leaders are rona I'm pleading with you. You are also South Africans. We don't fight with anybody. If you have a business or a protector, not in this way. Rather, go and stay there and manage your businesses. Because they can't run while you are not demos. They can't run. So, Buffett, a re shebeng point mo re se ra lahla ma South Africa re se ra lahla yang le country ya qetella echa country is osha it will burn ngeke ulimaza umuntu nami kube ngibuya ngaphandle bengizozilwela mangilwisa bengizozilwela so bafethu nakere away with fight and if we fight our government leona hayi asivuleni la ikhona indlela yokubabamba ngiyakutshela mina if you can listen to me number one educational speaker in the whole world lalela kuzenzekani mangabe nge30 government I meet our requirement let me tell you we don't vote simple as that as South Africans nalaba musician akeneni ukuba ma hypocrite bafethu rands and naira here it's not about music, it's not about business, it's not about what it's about fixing our country. Ingosi zenu ziphila la bafethu angithi or nizambisile nina even if there is a war in South Africa you don't mind no asibambane nesonke bafethu. This is not politically anymore. Lasi interfere kuma politics abhedayo ngithi. Se crash ama politics abhedayo sababonisa babhedile. So this is not politically. Nake understand our much and much. Kamile bejwalo. I don't know for you leaders. Look at today. I heard the story of Phakela Mthakathi bathi beka threaten ukuthi uyabulawa yabo and ubulawa bobane according to Ungizwe. Yabo according to Ungizwe Mkhulu ubulawa ama members wenkatha and uPhakela Mthakathi imember yenkatha le ekutshela so asingatheke manje
this division
let us not attack each other bafethu wabona so wathi yazi kwesinye isikhathi bafethu umuntu akuthuke usmile imizwe ubhlungu kakhulu lento because bekafuna ukuthi ureact wrong uyazi ukuthi ulwela into eright lo muntu ukuthukela into eright umuntu okwatayo umuntu ozama ukuvikela into eright ukuthi ingayenzeki so let us not give them that room bafethu we go there peaceful yangithola and bengakaqeda kubabala labo baba ngiphelele kufikile Mbalula yabona abo baba uDlozi Mr Dlozi come on my brother any political member any leader emela lento against the march and march peacefully you are corrupt you are not South African mele side asithi don't force anyone to come and join don't force anyone this is real anyone can see we have one problem now that should be uniting us not dividing us but I was going to say politically no this is not politically anymore we South African can bring peace in our land our way qabangelana abantwana future bafethu sisilem sihlakaniphile we don't have to fight here we don't have to fight we don't need anyone to die here anyone We don't have any. We don't need anyone to go to prison. Ngoba nisovalelwa once salwa laba fethu imoshekile. Ngicela nikhoze ma leader. Ngicela nikhoze nibe straight nani. Nibe straight nange manifesto or memorandum. Asibene straight. Myself, I'm confused right now because of what is happening, and I've been listening to them. Some of them, you know, when you express yourself, my brother,
Yes.
you become like aggressive.
Right.
Now other people are getting scared. Or they don't listen from what you are saying now. Hey, they are losing the context. So I'm pleading to the leaders of this march. Please, peace, phambili. Sifuna nabantwana bethu sahambeni besikolo. Labantu laba abangaphandle, even on the day they can go to work, business as usual. It's fine according to me. According to me, it's fine. Or thina mara masiyele.
Yes.
Akhona amakhampani azothi no aqosha abantu ngoba bona baya kuma march. Uyabona, mara akhona amakhampani azodedela abantu babo baye lapho kuma march, because even nabo there is not about now who is benefiting to them. It's about what is good and what is right. That's all. People are not all bad.
Yes.
Black or white, Indian or what or what or what. And remember, lento ya mabahambe, it is not about Zimbabwean, or let me say, it's not about only Africans.
Yes. It shouldn't be, it is.
My brother, it's not about that. There are Europeans from all over the world, people who are landing in our airports here.
Yes.
With visiting visas, and then they have business. Boom, they don't go anywhere. Those people, we are talking about them as well.
Yes.
They must go. This is not about color. Please lead us. Lead with God in you. I pray for that. Lead us with God in you. Be clear that no fighting, no attacking anybody. I saw Resona Lady date 2021 registration of voting. It's too soon for that. We are still fixing. We want to fix this.
Yes.
IEC, I think you know better. You are also South African, Mas. If so, postpone that. We want to fix something. The memorandum is going to the government on the 30th of June. Not the fight, the memorandum. And now they must give us at least 5 days to fix the problem. We are too late. Before we can talk about vote. Then after that, if they fix that for us, then we can go back to our political parties. Isn't that fair game?
It is.
It is. So Buffett, peaceful. Even though if they come back proper, you know what I mean?
Yes.
It's good, according to me.
Yeah. The more the merrier.
That's human.
Yes.
Lento leyo go to open borders, Buffett. No. After everything, then we can sit down and talk about. And leaders of Africa will talk about that. We'll talk about it. They won't fight and spread propaganda about that and try to manipulate people about that. Please, Buffett. Everyone utlamela country and remember, even those who are showing us papers here, Zoom. According to my experience, it's research ka Home Affairs. Or ke ba ikae batho ba filweng dipampiri ka mshasha pants. Millions. Right?
Yeah.
Millions. Ba bang ba ka bana na le ngwana, ba bang ba shatile ka mshikashika. All those people. I'm talking about business people. They are married quickly nje, for papers. Even those, now I'm talking about them. Because our system there, Home Affairs, messed up, corrupt, rotten. It's hell. So, Buffett, please, I won't go too far about this. I hope everybody can hear me. But what I'm saying is, let us not fight anyone. Let us not fight anybody. No one deserves to be hurt. Our government will take these people home. It is not our job to take them home. I hope you hear me, South Africans, with respect. That's love for all people. I am the #1 educational speaker in the whole world, from South Africa, Africa, and the whole world. Thank you very much, Prophet. God bless you.